everyone. So today I am going to solve some numerical problems which has been asked in GATE, and these numerical problems are based on property of excess property and property change of mixing. So let's discuss the problems. So consider a binary liquid mixture at constant temperature T and pressure P if the enthalpy change of mixing delta H is equal to 5x1 x2, where x1 x2 are, right, these are the x1 and x2 are the mole fractions of species 1 and 2 respectively, and the entropy change of mixing delta S is equals to minus R in bracket x1 ln x1 plus x2 ln x2 with R is equals to 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin. Then the minimum value of the Gibbs free energy change of mixing at 300 Kelvin occurs when. So these are the four options, and we need to find out the minimum value of the Gibbs free energy. एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू कैसे आप निकालते हो? जब आप उसको डिफरेंशिएट फर्स्ट डिफरेंशिएट करते हो, और दैट विल बी डेल्टा जी, मतलब डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x1 और x2, एंड इट शुड बी इक्वल टू 0. सो इसको क्या बोलता है? मिनिमम. अगर मैक्सिमम पूछता तो डबल डिफरेंशिएशन करते, राइट? सो मिनिमम वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करने के लिए यू हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट द इक्वेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एनी कंपोनेंट, any one component, and which should be equal to 0. Okay, so we know that G is equals to, what is G? Delta G is equals to delta H minus T delta S. So now we have the value of delta H and delta S, so just substitute. So delta G is equals to, in place of delta H we have 5x1 x2 minus T, and here minus minus plus x1 ln of x1 plus x2 ln of x2. So see, ऑप्शन में हमको किसका वैल्यू दिया? x1 का. सो हम जो डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे डेल्टा जी का विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x1 ऑब्वियसली. सो यहाँ पर जो x2 है, that x2 we need to convert into x1, and for the binary solution we know that x1 plus x2 is equals to 1. So in place of x2 we can substitute 1 minus x1. So everywhere you just substitute 5 x1 1 minus x1 plus RT, x1 ln of x1 plus 1 minus x1 ln of 1 minus x1. Fine. Now just differentiate delta G with respect to x1, or you need to just open this bracket first. So just write one more step. So 5x1 minus 5x1 square plus RT x1 ln of x1 plus 1 minus x1 ln of 1 minus x1. Now just differentiate with respect to x1. Fine. So this is 5 minus 10 x1 plus RT. यहाँ पर कौन सा जाएगा? रूल लगाएंगे फॉर द डिफरेंशिएशन, यूवी रूल, मल्टीप्लिकेशन रूल. सो फर्स्ट x1 इज कांस्टेंट, दिस इज 1 अपॉन x1 प्लस नाउ ln ऑफ x1 इज कांस्टेंट एंड x1 द डिफरेंशिएशन इज 1 प्लस 1 माइनस x1 कांस्टेंट 1 माइनस x1 प्लस x1 का आएगा -1, एंड नाउ ln ऑफ 1 minus x1 is constant and minus x1 ka -1. So now, and that will be equal to 0. So 0 to find out the minimum value of Gibbs free energy. So जो first differentiation होता है, that will be equal to 0. So 5 minus 10 x1 R, the value of R we know that, and the value of T is also given to us, which is, consider 300 Kelvin. So 8.314 into 300, x1 cancel, this is also cancels. 1 plus ln of x1 minus 1 minus ln of 1 minus x1. So 1 1 cancel. Then so 5 minus 10x1 plus this 8.314 into 300. This is 2494.2, and we have ln x1 upon 1 minus x1. Okay, and that will be equal to 0. Now just form the equation in your calculator, and when you form the equation, then only one variable is here, x1, so you need to find out the value of x1. So just form the equation in your calculator, and then you will find the value of x1 is 0.5. So this is the right answer for